The goal of the program really is to help you figure out what you want to do and how to do it. Basically to find your happiness.
Once I'd done my research and kind of gotten the lowdown on who Bart was and what he'd accomplished in the industry, it seemed like a no-brainer.
It's like having a personal trainer, like a personal cheerleader there to encourage you and not to let you quit on your goals.
For somebody who's concerned about being forced into a box or being shoved down a path and you have to do things this way, this is a perfect solution for that.
It's so much more helpful to have him guiding you along the way but making you learn on your own.
For example, school will have set semesters, so you start at this point or at this point and you have to wait. And I was able to dive right into Job Propulsion Lab. I saw Bart 1 week, the next week, we were ready to go.
I think the best part was this sort of personal assessment. So you think about your career, you ask yourself questions, other people ask you, but you don't really have deep conversations about it.
Bart was really great at honing in on that, what your interests and genuine passions are.
Working with a mentor, I think, in this program is extremely beneficial, and it's because you're working directly with somebody who's in the seat that you want to be in, right? So it doesn't get any better than that.
It was a great feeling getting to sit across the table from a working professional and hear his views and actually hear that he's pretty impressed.
Here is a lot of feedback. It hurts to see your project just very much needing changes, but it's good.
You kind of get the dynamics of a real workplace. So, we're working with a whole creative team, executing full campaigns.
I think the biggest thing for me, at least, was getting to make the TV commercial. It was amazing to see this idea that we've been working on for months and then have all these people who we barely knew come and collaborate.
It helped me rise to a whole nother caliber of professionalism and I guess craft.
You really need to learn to develop your voice, and you need a portfolio that shows how diverse and what range your voice can have.
I started submitting my work into competitions and to design blogs like the Die Line and Lovely Package, some type blogs, and I was lucky enough to have my work featured on some of those, and so that was really cool to have some recognition.
So when I started the job search, I had my target agency list of places I was interested in that I thought I'd be a fit with, and one of those was KBSP in New York. So reached out to them, and then they got back to me, and amazingly they had a position open that they thought I could be a perfect fit for, which was incredible. The director of strategy at KBSP said the portfolio was huge, and knowing that I would be able to jump right in.
It makes me feel so happy that it's just almost done. All of this hard work and the sweat and the tears and the blood that Bart pulled out of me have produced something that I'm really proud of. I'm proud to show my book.
And coming out of this program, I'll have really sort of indispensable tools to evaluate future situations.
It gives you a huge leg up because otherwise you'll waste a bunch of time potentially going in the wrong direction.
JPL definitely helped me see my dream, visualize it, and then help me achieve it.